Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer people, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? Okay. I have got two cards, 5 of Swords and 7 of Swords. And Justice. Okay, so Cancer, this is your current energy, 5 of Swords and 7 of Swords, and Justice is your partner's current energy. With these two cards, Cancer, I feel that you have conquered something. Okay, you have won some battle. Okay, I think that it's you who has got a victory over your negative emotions. Okay, because your negative emotions are just moving out. Okay, perhaps you have given up on your negative emotions. Now they are not serving you. Okay, and apart from that, with this 7 of Swords card, it seems like you want to move out somewhere. Either you want to meet to somebody else, or if I talk about in relationship perspective, it seems like you want to move out and you want to meet your person, and it seems like you are so eager to meet them. That's why you are looking back, just to make sure that nobody's following you, nobody's seeing you, where you are heading in your life. So first thing which came into my mind is that either you have given up on your negative emotions. Okay, something has been ended in your life and you have conquered that thing. Secondly, you want to meet somebody, you want to move out from a certain place. Okay, from certain zone, from certain energies. And when it comes to love thing, you you desperately wants to meet your person, and that's why you just want to move out from your current location. All right, on the other hand, this is your partner's current energy, Cancer. We have Justice card. Cancer, it seems like your person is going through some kind of a legal things in their life. Okay, perhaps they are involved in some kind of a legal fights or something like that, and I feel that whatever the case it is, they are definitely going to win that thing. Okay, if they are involved in some kind of a legal things. Okay, and if not, then it means, or then I think that they are being somebody who is prioritizing their life. Okay, they have a lot of commitments in their life. It could be related to their finances, to their career, to their goals, and right now they are just completely focusing on that particular thing because they don't want to lose their focus. So they are being rational at this point of time. They are seeing that what thing is going to give them long-term benefit. Okay, and yes, it is their career, it is their finances which is going to support them. So at this point of time, they are being very stubborn or very stern that, hey, I want this thing in my life and I'll take that. Okay, so they measures each and everything. I feel that this is the reason there must be zero communication or less communication between you two, because this person is prioritizing his life, his or her life. Okay, this person is prioritizing his life. They just want to make sure what is the long-term goal for them. Okay, this is your partner's current energy, Cancer. All right, now let's see how you see them and how they see you, or what you feel about them and what they feel about you. Two of Swords. You see them as somebody who is hiding their emotions. With this Two of Swords cards, you see them as somebody who has immense emotions within their heart and mind, but at this point of time they are choosing to ignore it, because I told you this person is being very rational, and they are just, you know, taking the steps towards their growth, towards their expansion. So when it comes to relationship thing, you feel them as somebody who is ignoring you. Sometimes you feel ignored, sometimes you feel, hey, this person does not want to talk to me, or what he wants or what she wants. All right, sometimes their ignorance, you know, kills you. Sometimes their ignorance affects you. Not sometimes, I think most of the time their ignorance affects you. But I feel that this person is taking their own time. Okay, so let them be in the same energy. On the other hand, we have Six of Wands. Your person sees you as somebody, or they feels you as somebody who has, you know, won some battles in their life. It could be your hardship in life, it could be your breakups in your life, okay, or perhaps you are being somebody who is like pampered by their own friends or family, okay, because they treat you well, they treat you, you know, I mean, they very well, they treat you very well, okay. So sometimes you feel like, oh, am I really special to them or what? Okay, so you are somebody who is always surrounded by people, good people, all right. Now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. Seven of Cups. Oh ho 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 ho. Cancer, I feel that you want to take a step towards them, or you are eager to take certain steps towards them. You want to take some action towards them. But at the end of the day, you get confused, okay. Perhaps you are being somebody who is you know, I mean, you are answerable to so many people in your life, so you get confused to whom you should answer, to whom you should, you know, complain. At some point of time you feel that your family is important to you, at some point of time you feel that this person is important to you, so you are being completely confused, okay. You are not able to understand where should you do, what should you do, or where, in which direction you should move, because when you try to take action towards this person, your family, you know, tries to control you, and the moment you try to take any action towards your family, this person controls you. So you are in some kind of a dilemma kind of a situation is happening with you, okay. You are confused and hence not taking any action towards them. On the other hand, we have Knight of Swords. This person eagerly wants to take some action towards you. They just want to, you know, move towards you as fast as they can. Perhaps it is their personal commitments or professional commitments which are not allowing them to be with you at this point of time, or taking any action towards you, but deep down in their heart they genuinely wants to take some solid action towards you, okay, and seems like they genuinely wants to meet you, okay. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Queen of Cups. You feel loved. You feel that this person has genuine emotions for you. You feel that this person is the one for you. They are caring, they are lovable, they are nurturer, they are giver. You see them as, I mean, you feel that this is the only person in your life. You can't imagine yourself with anybody else, or you don't want to imagine yourself with anybody else. Okay, and at some point of time you feel scared also, because this queen has, hold this cup in her hand. Okay, you must have some preconceived notion that, okay, if I talk about on this particular topic, maybe this person is going to hurt. Okay, or I'll hurt this person, so probably they won't talk to me. Okay, so something is there which scares you, but yes, you feel loved in this relationship. Oh my god, page of cups. Cancer person, your person also feels the same. They feel a new love into their life. When they see you, when they talk to you, they feel that, okay, this is the person who is offering me the genuine concern, who is offering me the genuine love, who is offering me the genuine emotions. They are not fake. Their cup is not empty. They have something solid to give me in this relationship. So that thing leads both of you to happiness. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them, Cancer. What is the mutual energy? What is the mutual energy between you and them? What is the mutual? And why this Eight of Swords? Both of you are scared to lose each other. That's what I'm feeling with this card. Both of you have so much of love for each other, and that's why you don't want to lose this person. With this Eight of Swords and King of Swords, both of you don't want to lose each other. Okay, both of you have immense love for each other, genuine emotions for each other. And with this King of Swords, I feel that both of you are on the same page. All right, both of you don't want any kind of new person in your life in terms of love and emotions. Okay, and both of you are being very stubborn at this point of time, that hey, you want to talk to me. I mean, not this person, but if somebody new comes into your life from somewhere, or from from third world, so you are not going to entertain them, or you are not entertaining them. Similar thing goes for your person as well, Cancer. Your person is not entertaining anybody else. Okay, because they know that you are their happiness. Okay, now let's see what future is holding for both of you. We have Nine of Cups. Cancer, I feel that your person, I think it's you and them. Both of you have closed your heart for any third person. I told you that both of you wants each other. Okay, both of you loves each other. Okay, so it seems like both of you have closed your heart for any third person. You must be getting lot of offers. They must be getting a lot of offers in terms of love, relationship, and emotions. But the best part is that you both of you are ignoring them. Both of you are ignoring all such offers which is coming into your life on the name of love, on the name of emotions, on the name of relationship. And that's pretty cool thing. Now let's see what angels are asking you to do at this point of time in life or in this relationship. What angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. It is up to you. What is up to you? Cancer people, I think this relationship will take a solid shape in a year, okay? And it's completely up to you whether you want to continue or whether you can wait for this person for another year or not. All right, but I think that you should wait, but it's completely up to you. It's completely your choice. All right, so we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius air sign in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with them with this 5 of swords, 6 of swords, 7 of swords, 8 of swords, 9 of king of swords, 2 of swords, and knight of swords. Some of you could be dealing with Libra with this justice card. Okay, we have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio also in this reading with the 7 of cups, 9 of cups, queen of cups, and page of cups. And some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with the 6 of wands. So Cancer people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you, and bye bye.